I'm here with Mel Parsons, and she's going to introduce herself. Thank you for agreeing to take some time out of your busy schedule. She's going to introduce herself and to talk about her resilience mapping project, which is groundbreaking in all kinds of ways. So I wonder if you could talk about where you're from and what you do, and then summarise your project, please.
Sure. Thanks, Alan. Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm Melissa Parsons. I'm an academic at the University of New England, which is a regional university in Australia. I am in the Department of Geography and Planning. So I teach environmental science, I teach some planning, I teach some disaster science, and I also do research in disaster resilience, environmental science and river science. So I'm a little bit interdisciplinary. I do quite a lot of things, and I'm an integrator that brings a whole lot of different areas together.
Great. Well, could you summarise your project, the ADRI project, please?
Yeah, sure.
That'd be great.
Sure. So the ADRI stands for Australian Disaster Resilience Index. So this was a project that occurred over 5 years. And what we set out to do was to develop a nationally standardised index of disaster resilience in Australia. And that index was designed to assess, monitor and evaluate the resilience of Australian communities to natural hazards. And there are a couple of really key characteristics of the index. First of all, it was at a national scale. And because it was at a national scale, what we had to do was to look at really that system of social, institutional and economic and governance factors that influence communities. So it wasn't about how individuals behave or how they prepare. It was really that top-down look at, well, what's the system that sits around an individual and influences their capacity for disaster resilience.
Right. And so even though it's about all hazards, obviously this forum is about fire, looking at those overarching characteristics apply to bushfire, wildfire, as well as the range of other natural hazards people might face.
Yeah, so it was an all hazards index.
Yep.
And what we did deliberately was we didn't put risk or any particular hazard into the index because it's designed to overlay over things like bushfire risk maps,
right,
or earthquake risk maps, in order to be able to say, well, where are the intersections between where's the greatest physical risk and where's the lowest resilience or the highest resilience, because that supports a whole lot of planning, policy development, risk assessment activities, community engagement, working with communities. It's got all sorts of ways that it can provide information into the disaster management sector.
Wonderful. What an amazing resource. Congratulations on getting to the end of a big and important project. I think I'll get a link from you so I can direct people to that. They can have a look. And again, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye, everyone.